Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. And today we're going to talk about Jungle Pam Hardy, the Wiki, and the full biography. The full name is Pamela Hardy, and the nickname is Jungle Pam Hardy. Was born 1957 and was born in West Chancellor's Primary, USA. Nationality is American. The religion is Christianity. Was former girlfriend of Jungle Jim Liberman. The age is 62 years of 2019. The education status, the school high school, and the qualification is always high school. Let's go to the physical status or physical statistics. Height 5 feet is 5 inches tall, and the weight is 80 kg. Eyes color is brown and hair color is brown. Marital status is divorced. The favorites and the hobbies. Hobbies is traveling and cooking. Favorite actor is Tom Cruise. Favorite actress is John Lawrence. Favorite destination is Miami. And the favorite food is silence and food. Let's finish with net worth. The net worth is 1.85 million USD. And the Instagram, Facebook, and the Twitters are all activated and it's all on. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment for enjoying the full biography of the different squares setup.